Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the GIHETKUT 2-burner electric cooktop. If you are living in an apartment, working with a small kitchen space, or perhaps looking to upgrade your RV setup, you know that finding a reliable stove that does not require a complex electrical overhaul is a major challenge. This unit promises to be the solution, so let us see if it actually delivers in the kitchen. First, let us talk about power and convenience. This cooktop runs on standard 110 to 120 volts, meaning you can plug it into a regular outlet without needing an electrician. It features two independent heating zones that offer a combined power output designed to help you cook 2 dishes simultaneously. Having that dual burner setup is a game changer for anyone who needs to boil pasta while simmering a sauce at the same time. One of the standout features here is the control system. You get both sensor touch and knob controls, which is a nice hybrid approach. It gives you 10 power levels and 10 temperature settings. Whether you are searing a steak, slow cooking a stew, or just steaming vegetables, the versatility is there. The temperature control feels responsive enough for everyday cooking tasks. Design-wise, the unit uses black ceramic glass. It looks sleek, professional, and importantly, it is scratch and wear resistant. The rounded edges give it a modern aesthetic that fits well in any countertop setup, but it is also designed to be built in if you prefer a flush look for your kitchen counters. Now, let us discuss safety, because that is non-negotiable when dealing with high heat. GIHETKUT has included an automatic safety shutoff, overheat protection, and a child safety lock. The anti-slip feet keep the unit stable, which is crucial if you are cooking on a slick countertop. Plus, there is a built-in timer that goes from 1 to 99 minutes, so you do not have to worry about overcooking your food if you walk away for a moment. One of the biggest advantages of this specific electric stove is cookware compatibility. Unlike induction cooktops that require specific magnetic pans, this electric hot plate works with almost anything. Iron, aluminum, ceramics, stainless steel, copper, or heat-resistant glass are all compatible. If you have a favorite wok or a specific tea kettle, this stove will likely accommodate it without a fuss. On the downside, because this relies on radiant heat rather than induction, it does take a moment to heat up and cool down. You need to be mindful that the surface will remain hot to the touch for a short period after you turn it off. Additionally, while the total power is impressive for a portable unit, do not expect it to have the lightning-fast boiling speed of a professional gas range. In conclusion, the GIHETKUT electric cooktop is a solid, versatile, and user-friendly piece of equipment. It solves the problem of limited space without forcing you to buy new cookware. It is a practical addition to any home, office, or mobile living space where efficiency is the top priority. If you are looking for an affordable way to boost your cooking capacity without a kitchen renovation, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.